Analyze market gaps is partnership software for a specific operational decision, analyzes market data to identify gaps and unmet needs for partnerships. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. The problem is that partnerships teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. Analyze market gaps narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Analyze market gaps starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include total addressable market, TAM, served available market, SAM, current partner coverage, market growth rate, and time horizon for projection. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the serviceable obtainable market gap by subtracting the served available market from the total addressable market. Calculate the uncovered portion of the served market by applying the current partner coverage percentage to determine the gap. Project the future market gap by adjusting the serviceable obtainable market gap for compounded market growth over the specified time horizon. Compute a weighted opportunity score that combines the coverage gap and growth-adjusted gap, adjusted for strategic focus, expansion, retention, or balance, and competitor concentration to reflect market attractiveness. And determine the urgency level for partnership action based on the opportunity score and competitive pressure from competitor concentration. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how partnerships teams actually make decisions. Analyze market gaps returns structured outputs such as opportunity score, partnership urgency, opportunity score assessment, market gap analysis details, and market gaps comparison. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of analyze market gaps is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated partnerships work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.